Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream Crunchyroll on Discord. So guys, at first go to your Discord. And guys, now open the server where you want to stream your Crunchyroll. Now tap on Voice Channels General. Tap on Join Voice. Now swipe up and tap on Share Your Screen. Tap on Start Now. And then you have to select Crunchyroll tab. And you can also share auto by tapping Share the audio. And you have to just tap on Share. And then your screen will be shared. And then you can stream your Crunchyroll very easily. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.